Hey everybody, Claire Worley and metaphorcoaching.co.uk, and this is your Friday tip from my lovely new office. So this tip is all about creating videos. I have been doing these videos now for about 18 months, maybe 2 years, and I speak to lots of business owners who, well, they stand in two camps. They either hate the thought of doing videos, or they like the thought of doing it but not sure how they're going to do it. So they're standing on the edge of making videos happen for them and their businesses. So my first suggestion is to just jot down some ideas of the kind of things that you would like to talk about on video. And you know, your marketing should always be something that you're passionate about doing, and if you're passionate about doing it, that's when you'll get the results from it. So don't think, oh, just because I've seen that person doing that kind of video, that's what I need to do. No, stop. Have a think about the kind of things that you're interested in your business. So I spoke to somebody yesterday who liked the idea of doing, did you know type videos, or I like to learn about type videos. So just have a think about what's your passion in your business. Do lots of jotting down in a journal, get some ideas together, and just start recording. Always start the video with a smile, and don't stress too much about how you come across, how you sound. You need to be perfect. You don't, just be you. So jot down some ideas, and I'd love to hear them. Share them with me. Have a great weekend and see you soon.